Hello friends, my name is Om Brahmbhatt and today I am going to show you a PowerPoint presentation on mammals. Now this is the fourth out of 5 YouTube videos which I have posted about animal groups. The fifth one will be birds. So let's get started. On mammals today. From the tiniest shrews and bats to the blue whale. Mammals thrive in many habitats across the planet. Most live on land, but some can even hold their breath long enough to survive in the deep ocean, like the dolphin, which normally stays in the shallow water, and the blue whale, which lives in deep water. Types of mammals. There are 3 types of mammals. First, monotremes. The only egg-laying mammals are echidnas and the duck-billed platypus. So these echidna and the duck-billed platypus are monotremes, which are mammals but still they lay eggs. Marsupials. These mammals are giving birth to tiny young ones that are usually protected in the mother's pouch, like the kangaroo, as you can see over here. And here's the echidna, here's the kangaroo and the echidna. Third, placentas. Most mammals fall into this group. Mothers nourish their babies inside the womb, like here's an example: dogs, cats, etc. Even elephants. Tallest to the smallest. Now here is the tallest animal, the heaviest and the shortest animal. Mammal, not the animal, the mammal. The giraffe is the tallest mammal, reaching up to 6 meters. It grasps higher leaves by extending its tongue an extra 50 centimeters. Second, African elephants are the heaviest land mammals, weighing up to 10 tons. Males also have the tallest shoulder height, up to 4 meters. Third, the Etruscan shrew is the smallest animal by weight, averaging just 1.8 grams. The bumblebee bat has a smaller body length but weighs more. So as you can see, here's the giraffe over here. Here's the Etruscan shrew and here's the African elephants. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Sorry that this was a short video today. I am very sorry for that, and please subscribe for more content like this. I'm also going to do some fun videos every Friday, and I'm also looking forward to do some tutorials in the future. So thank you for listening to my nice speech, and bye. See you guys next time.